Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your HP 255. First of all, you're gonna have to turn on your Bluetooth device and you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode. To check how to put your device into pairing mode, you have to read the manual to it, but the effect that you're looking for is the blinking LED light. Once your LED light is blinking, you're gonna have to click right here. So click these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen to open the control center, and after that you're gonna have to click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is switched on and select your Bluetooth device on the list. After you select it, you will be paired with it instantly. Now, if you want to disconnect or if you want to unpair your device, you're gonna have to go to more Bluetooth settings. Then you're gonna have to click the three dot icon in the top right corner of your Bluetooth device and either select disconnect or remove device if you want to unpair it. If you select disconnect, you will simply turn off your Bluetooth device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.